I'll show you how to form our packaging. We have our gold cardstock that we've decorated, and you want to find the bottom center and just put a little bit of a crease there. Now turn it over. We're making a cone shape, which will give our heart a nice shape. So take the two bottom corners and bring them up like this and overlap to form a cone like that. And we're going to secure it with a staple. So hold that nice and tight and just secure that with a couple of staples. Okay, here's our cone-shaped container. Now I'm going to make a ribbon handle for our cone. So I have a yard of a wired gold ribbon, about 1.5 inch ribbon, and I want to make a bow in the center of it. So the easiest way to make a bow is to do 2 little bunny ears like this, right in the center, keeping our tails here the same size. And then just tie the 2 bunny ears into a simple knot like this. And then just gently pull it tight until you get a good knot in the middle. And then you can just play with that bow until you like the way it looks. Pull at the loops and pull at the legs until you get the right bow. Okay, the wired ribbon makes it easy to make a really pretty bow. And you just manipulate the wire like that. Okay, now we're going to staple the ends of the ribbon onto each side of our cone like this. Staple that on both sides. And that kind of frames the heart. Okay. And then you want to finish off the ends of your bow. You can fold that in half and cut at a diagonal to get a little bit of a pretty tail end. And do that on both sides to neaten that off. And then if with the wired ribbon you can gather it up and wiggle it around. And if you want to position it to stay in one spot, you can put a little bit of hot glue or a little tacky glue just to hold that in place.